The 2026 CFMOTO model arrives as a striking blend of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology, setting new benchmarks in the mid-range motorcycle segment. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic design grabs attention. Its aggressive stance is complemented by sharp LED headlights, which not only give it a modern look, but also ensure excellent visibility in low-light conditions. The bodywork is sculpted with precision, combining functionality with aesthetics. Every curve, from the fuel tank to the tail section, has been meticulously crafted to enhance both aerodynamics and rider comfort. The premium paint finish, available in multiple vibrant color options, ensures that this bike stands out wherever it goes. The ergonomics of the 2026 CFMOTO are designed for all types of riders. The seating position strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort, making it suitable for both city commutes and long highway rides. The seat is well padded and slightly stepped to provide support during aggressive riding, while the handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on the wrists and shoulders. Foot pegs are thoughtfully placed, offering a natural riding posture without compromising control. Under the hood, the 2026 CFMOTO is powered by a refined engine that delivers impressive power and torque across the rev range. The liquid-cooled engine is engineered for smooth acceleration, providing instant throttle response whether you are cruising through city streets or tackling winding mountain roads. Paired with a precision-engineered transmission, gear shifts are seamless and crisp, ensuring an engaging riding experience. The bike also features advanced fuel injection technology, which not only improves fuel efficiency but also reduces emissions, aligning with modern environmental standards. Handling and suspension on the 2026 model have been significantly upgraded. The front suspension employs telescopic forks with enhanced damping, while the rear uses a monoshock absorber system, ensuring stability and comfort even on uneven terrain. The lightweight frame, combined with a low center of gravity, offers precise cornering and remarkable maneuverability. Whether navigating tight urban streets or leaning into aggressive curves, the bike maintains excellent balance and confidence-inspiring control. High-performance disc brakes on both ends, coupled with ABS, guarantee reliable stopping power under all conditions. CFMOTO has also focused heavily on technology and rider convenience. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and trip meters. Advanced features include Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones for navigation and call alerts. LED indicators, hazard lights, and an integrated ride-by-wire throttle system elevate the overall riding experience. Safety is further enhanced with traction control and optional riding modes that adapt the bike's performance to different road conditions. The exhaust system on this 2026 CFMOTO model has been designed to optimize both performance and sound. It produces a throaty yet refined exhaust note that adds character without being overly loud. The muffler design ensures compliance with noise regulations while retaining the sporty essence that enthusiasts love. For riders who value touring capabilities, this model comes with ample luggage options and ergonomic accessories. Optional panniers and top boxes can be fitted without compromising the bike's sleek profile. Windshields and handguards provide additional comfort and protection on longer journeys, making the bike versatile for daily use and weekend adventures alike. Maintenance and reliability have also been considered in the 2026 CFMOTO. Easy access service points, high-quality components, and durable materials ensure longevity and lower running costs. CFMOTO's commitment to engineering excellence is evident in the attention to detail, from the smooth operation of controls to the durability of the paint and finishes. Overall, the 2026 CFMOTO model sets a new standard in its class by combining aggressive styling, advanced technology, and practical functionality. It is designed for riders who seek a thrilling yet dependable motorcycle experience. With its blend of performance, comfort, and modern features, this bike is not just a mode of transport. It is a statement on the road, capturing attention and delivering an exhilarating ride every time you twist the throttle.